What's going on YouTube? Your boy, not your average hybrid, back with another video. And you see the box, and you see the title. We got the R1 Concepts brake pads and rotors going on him. As you can see, I already started. You feel me? Real simple, real simple. My first time actually even doing the brakes, but I'll go straight over it for real. So yeah, pretty much all I did was, you know, loosen up my lug nuts. On my cars, you already know, already planted. So loosen up your lugs, boom, grab your jack it out, take off your lugs, take your rim off, boom, you're gonna have your caliper. It's gonna be 2 bolts, well actually, it's actually gonna be 2 bolts on your caliper, one up top, one down bottom. You don't remove the one up top close to your brake line, so you remove the one down bottom. Loosen that up, your caliper flips open, you'll be able to, you know, flick out your brake pads. You probably just grab them like that, just pull them out, or you could put your flathead screwdriver in here, just pop them out like that. Here are mine. This one looks pretty good, but this one is pretty much done. I don't even wear it, so I don't know, I'm gonna just change them out anyway. Oh, rotor, rusty. So yeah, pretty much do that. And then once you take your pads out, close your caliper back, put the pin back in to hold it, still in there. Then pretty much it's 2 bracket bolts. Boom, boom, loosen those. Then your whole caliper comes off. Boom, put mine on the bucket to, you know, not stretch out your brake line. And pretty much here I am. The reason I didn't record it, because definitely having a hard time with this. You see how rusty it is. It was pretty much rust welded on there, so I didn't have a hammer. As you can see, I had to go out and buy rubber mallet and a ball peen hammer. The ball peen hammer worked. I just banged from this side. You can see it's nice and loose. But yeah, guys, I'm about to put the new brakes on. Yes, sir. As you can see, R1 Concepts Optimum OEP series brake pads. Original equipment performance formulation. Yes, sir. Got the hardware included. Hardware included. Here go the rotors, baby. Hold on. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As you can see, we got the drilled and slotted black zinc rotors, baby. Looking good. What you guys think? All right, time to put this bad boys on.
2 hours later.
Alrighty, guys, that took quite some time, but not too long for real. As you can see, we all done. Slide and drill rotors with the new pads. We all on. The reason it took so long is I had to figure out all these new tools. Like I said, it's my first time doing it. So anytime I could do it, you guys could do it. First time getting all the tools. I got the torque wrench, piston tool. I had to figure out how to use that, but now I got it working. So I'm pretty much almost done this one. Once you pretty much learn, you feel me, you pick up like that for real. So this is where I am on the second one. I already got the rotor off. Now that I got those 2 trusty, you feel me, quality ball peen hammer and a rubber mallet. Definitely got mine, you know. My C's jimmy off of there with ease. Let's put a little bit of that, you feel me, brake grease in there so it shouldn't cut me C's up again. But yeah, guys, got the caliper down. Bolts all did good. I'm gonna put some blue thread locker on those bolts when I go to put them back in. But pretty much, yep, new brake pads. That's the tool for real. Wire brush, getting there, clean that out. But yeah, guys, pretty much just gonna clean up this last rotor over here, and pretty much done for the day because it's starting to get, you know, a little dark out. It's already like 6:30. So just gonna probably end up just doing the front today and do the back tomorrow morning for real. Boom, bada Boom. These jumps with the brake cleaner. Paper towels ready. Pretty much got the rotor on, held on by my two lugs, keeping everything nice and sturdy. All I'm doing is putting the caliper back on. So pretty much I put the blue thread locker on the bolts, and pretty much just got them in place and pretty much just tighten them up, the long bolts. So just tighten them up for now. That was pretty snug. Now what I'm gonna do is grab my torque wrench and tighten these down to 98 foot-pounds. And then the caliper will be on, nice and snug. Then we're just pretty much putting the pads in. 98 foot-pounds. There we go. There we go. Goes the torque down correctly. This pin, screw, boom. Caliper slides up like that. What I'm gonna do is I have my tool here to, track my pistons for real. Be like me, guys. Just get the official joint. This cheap flimsy thing is just too much of a hassle. You got speedy one for $50. It pretty much does all this work for you. So definitely get that one. Don't be like me. All right, guys. That should be compressed enough. If not, compress some more.
Women always got to work on them.
Yeah, you got that right. Alright, brush go ahead, break this up out of there. The hardware. Start with the hardware, guys, real simple. Put it in place. Just take the pads. Just put them right on there. There we go. So you put them in on the right side, right? Here we go, guys. Pretty much put some nice bolt back in. Tighten it down, of course. Alright, guys, that's pretty much it. Brake pads in. Voila, final look. R1 Concepts, drilled and slotted rotors with the Optimum OEP premium pads. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, baby. Clean all this junk up. And and give them a test drive. If this video gets uploaded, then I did it right. I made it, guys. Well, that's the finished product for the front. Yes, sir. How y'all liking the look? It's only a dark out, so yeah, I'm doing it back tomorrow. But yeah, that's stock. Rusty looking nasty. And that's the new babies. Looking good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Already YouTube, not your average hybrid. Back, you feel me? Second day. And as you can see, finally got the rear brakes done. Woke up early this morning. Finally got them done. Did the rear, the front. Yesterday evening. So yes, sir. All the way around. Drilled and slided rotors with the new pads. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My first time doing it. It definitely took a while, but I mean, if you got like a newer vehicle with no rust or anything, you should definitely be alright. But okay, pretty much what took me so long is, you feel me, on the front, boom, got the wheel off, boom, all that was smooth, cool. Got the caliper off, cool, that was smooth. That, you feel me, that gate doping, you feel me, that's smooth. Got the pins out, easy, no rust. Now on the front, the only hard part was getting the rotor off. The rotor was seized to the hub. So, what took so long, I didn't have a hammer or anything, like I said, it's my first time doing brakes, so I had to get a hammer because it's what I see people use to get it off, and I had to hammer that quite some time. So that was the one problem with this front one. So once I took that off, then boom, put the new rotor on, everything was smooth after that. Pretty much the same thing on this side. So I had to, you know, boom, 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 use the hammer. Rust seized my rotor on, so instead of knock it off, really. For this side, the rear, the exact opposite. So, you know, took the wheel off, boom, boom, boom. Then coming down to that, I don't know if you can see it, but there, that top caliper pin, that joint was so hard to get off. I guess that got rusted on too. So I had to get a wrench and a hammer and just pretty much knock that loose. Lucky I didn't strip the bolt or anything, so eventually got that loose. And also this caliper was so sticky, like I couldn't even open it really. And it was real hard to get the pad on there and around the new brake pads, you know, around it. So that was one annoying thing, which was pretty much about to make me give up. But you never give up, guys. As you see, I got it done. But and then on this side was pretty easy, pretty much just like the front. The rotor was still, you know, great condition. I mean, yeah, caliper was still good condition, still lubed up and all that, so it was free motion. Only thing, yeah, the rotor was stuck on here too, so I was used to doing that with the front. Real easy, just take the hammer, bing, 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 and that was pretty much it. I just gotta put my little spikes back on there to complete my lug nuts, and that's pretty much it, guys. Would I recommend you doing your own brakes and save you about like $300-$500? Like, you know, I bought my own brake pads and rotors for my one performance, and I called multiple shops to, you know, see how much it was for them to put it on, instead of me going out and buying all the tools. But yeah, they quoted me like $250 and up, so I mean, I'm like, oh, I'm not really trying to pay that, because all that, I could have just got the brakes from there, really. But yeah, it definitely saves you a few dollars. And now that I got the tools, I can do my brakes every single time. You feel me? So I keep paying $250, $300 every time I go into the mechanic, and you're not learning anything. You might as well, you feel me, pick up a skill, grab the tools. It'd be way easier if you had power tools. I don't have power tools, so. But yeah, like, definitely not that bad. Like, especially if you got a newer car where it ain't all rusty and stuff. If you got like an older car, like I said, this is a 2012, so a little bit of rust, and also depending on where you live at and weather conditions. But Yeah, I would definitely recommend doing your own brakes for real. That way you can see exactly what you're doing and make sure the job is exactly done right. You know, no one else cares for your car better than you. You feel me? But yeah, pretty much the only thing I had to give was, well, I guess I didn't really need it, but I got a torque wrench, a rubber mallet, the ball peen hammer. Let's see, I had to get a caliper, tool to push the caliper piston thingy back, and I think that might be about it. Torque wrench, oh yeah, and a breaker bar, and I also had to get a bigger millimeter tool set because the caliper breakers are 22 millimeter, and the set ahead only had 21 millimeter, so I had to go out and buy, you feel me, another big set just for that. But now I got the tools, so I'm ready to do anything. I'm ready to start doing more oil changes, all my regular maintenance. So, but yeah, I'm not rambling. So next time, guys.